Hey, welcome to Squarebody Stuff. I'm Chad, your lovely host. Again, we're going to be working on my 78 step side, called Squeaky. Just got the 305 put back in him. You can watch some, I'll put some cards up here in the corner, some videos of what's going on with that. Right now, we're going to be putting on some new exhaust because it's just open headers right now. Got some 3-inch pipe and some other goodies. All right, Summit's starting to put stickers back in their boxes again. That's awesome. Want to give a shout out to Summit Racing because their shipping is still spot on. I ordered this Wednesday morning and it got here today, which is Friday in the afternoon. So order stuff and it gets here when you need it. We've got, here's the goodies we've got. A little elbow for turn down. Our header buddies. I'll go over those in a minute. They bolt up to your header flange. And here's the mufflers. I'm going to be putting 3-inch exhaust on it just for maximum flow, because eventually this truck's probably going to end up with a big block in it or something more powerful than this 305. So I want to go ahead and get the exhaust the way I wanted it and not have to worry about that in the future. So we'll get everything unboxed, cleaned up, mocked up, and ready to weld up. Are you rolling? Okay. I'm not sure what to do with my hands. I don't like you as a camera. You do stuff behind the camera and they get tickled. I'm going to show you what these header buddies are all about. These things are awesome. I've run them on everything I've got now. You got the flange. You can get them in different sizes, from your collector size to your exhaust tubing size. That slides over there and just connects on there. That way you don't have to worry about a gasket blowing out. If you got a little bit of a misalignment, it'll take up for that. But you put your bolts through there and bolt it all up good and tight, and as long as your bolts stay tight, you won't have any leaks. We got Squeaky all jacked up on stands. I took a peek underneath there to see if I'm going to need any bends. I didn't think I was going to, and I don't. So it's got the good cross member that goes up high and comes underneath the transmission. So now all you got to do is grind off the ends, get this stuff welded up together. I'm not sure if I'm going to cut this little elbow in half just to make a little bit of a kind of a turn down, or I've got this piece of pipe here with some bends in it. I might run like some kickers out to the side. I don't have enough to go all the way out to the side of the bed, but maybe stick them out. I don't know. We'll figure that out when we get to that point. Alright, I'm going to show you what I'm doing here. I'm grinding off all this aluminized coating because it doesn't weld very good. You can put the camera on that now. That way it gets a good weld, because it won't weld through that aluminized stuff very well. So I'll get all that ground off on both ends. Get the paint ground off of the mufflers and stuff ground off the header buddies. And then we'll be ready to weld it all up. Alright, I got everything ground up. If I can get a good weld on it, I'll just stick it in here really nice and true. Put a few tacks on it and then weld it up. Got them both welded up. Not too shabby. And I got flanges on both of them, so they're both up to the headers. That happens. We'll crawl underneath there and get them bolted up and figure out what I'm going to do for hangers, and then see what I'm going to do for either little turn downs or coming out this side. I'm pretty happy with it. Let me crawl underneath here and show you what we got. There's you a good close-up of the header buddies and how they work. Goes on back. Got pretty red glass packs. And I've just put the little bitty, cut that elbow in half, turned it down, kind of point them out towards the tires, thinking that when I do a burnout, that exhaust is going to blow right here and blow the smoke out. Let's make a little test trip with the new exhaust. So far I'm pretty happy with the whole setup. It's still just a 305, so it really don't have any torque to it or anything. And this can doesn't make any power to about 3,000 RPM, but it's like a total 180 degree difference from what it was, because that stock 305, it quit making power around 4,000 RPM, and this one's just really starting to pour some power on, and they'll pull straight to 6,000 RPM pretty easily now. So I'm pretty happy with it. I like the new exhaust. 3-inch straight power, 3-inch pipe, 12-inch glass packs. Sounds pretty good. Actually, in some ways, I like the sounds of it better than I do the Flow Masters on my other truck. I'm not real happy with the drone that those have, so I'm about to order some different mufflers for it to get rid of that drone. That's going to wrap this video up. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I appreciate all your comments and the subscribes. Hope you guys like this little video of me putting on some exhaust on my race truck. So check out these videos over here. Hit the subscribe button over there. Keep them square bodies rolling, and we will catch you later.